Hello and welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone screen goes black but the phone is still active, how to fix it? We will show you in this video how to fix that. Now you can see here on my iPhone, if I touch it, swipe it, tap it or press the button, it is not responding. However, the phone is actually turned on. There is an easy way to fix this without taking it to an Apple center. We'll use the phone's physical button for this. So what you need to do is first look at the volume up button, then a volume down button and the power button on the iPhone. We will be using those to restart the phone. The method is first press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and finally press the side of the power button. While you're holding the power down, the slide to power off might appear on the screen, uh, or your phone screen might go completely black, which is entirely normal. As you can see, the screen goes black on black, but keep holding down the power button until the Apple logo appears. As soon as you see the Apple logo, release the finger from the button and the full restart of your phone will be complete. This is completely safe for your iPhone, and most of the time it fixes various software bugs or glitches that were causing the phone not to work. I hope this helps you. If you like the video, you can check out other videos. I think you will quite like them, and thank you for watching the video.